What if I told you the next gen blockchain for AI is already here and its token is setting up for a massive move? What's up, guys? Welcome back once again to your favorite crypto corner. OpenLedger is building the AI blockchain that unlocks liquidity for data, models, and agents, and it's backed by major players like Polychain, Borderless Capital, and Hashkey Capital. And with Open Token sitting at an exciting price level right now, this could be the perfect time to pay attention. Alright guys, for anyone new to this project, OpenLedger is building the AI blockchain that unlocks liquidity for data, models, and agents, creating a real marketplace for AI assets. OpenLedger chain is the foundation for trusted AI and was built from the ground up for everything AI needs. From model training to deploying agents, literally every piece runs on-chain with precision. Now guys, what makes this so powerful is the AI liquidity layer, which is turning data, models, and agents from static assets into liquid composable ones that can actually move and create value. And with their proof of attribution, every contribution is traceable, verifiable, and rewarded fairly, which is exactly what AI builders need to scale trustlessly. What's also important to highlight is that its native token Open is right at the center of everything we've been talking about. The token went live on September 8th, and it came out strong with listings on more than 20 top exchanges including Binance, Upbit, and Kraken. And that move instantly put OpenLedger project in the same league as the biggest AI blockchain players and gave Open Token massive global exposure from day one. As you can see for yourself guys, the market reaction has been more than impressive because Open hit a 1.8 billion fully diluted valuation on its first day of trading, and even now it's holding strong around 84 cents with a market cap over 181 million. Daily volume is still massive at over 130 million, which shows that traders are actually paying attention and liquidity is more than solid. The one-day chart shows some healthy pullbacks that are followed by quick recoveries, which is also exactly what you want to see for a token that just launched. With that being said guys, Open Token is definitely looking like one of the most exciting AI-related plays of this season. But let's zoom out for a second because this story is way bigger than just price action. The reason the whole market is watching is because OpenLedger is the first AI blockchain built to make artificial intelligence fair, transparent, and rewarding for literally everyone involved. With proof of attribution, every data set, every model, and every contributor can finally be traced and rewarded, which flips the old system on its head and puts the value back into the hands of the community instead of being locked away in corporate black boxes. What's exciting is that we're likely to see a massive spike in participation as Open Token continues to expand into more markets and exchanges. It's already live on many exchanges in South Korea, and that kind of exposure could push daily trading volume into the billions. If the momentum we're seeing now continues, we could be looking at a growth curve that sets the tone for the next big AI and blockchain narrative. And to add even more fuel to the fire, guys, OpenLedger is backed by some of the biggest names in crypto, and they've raised millions from leading investors like Polychain Capital, Borderless Capital, and Finality Capital. They're also running massive marketing campaigns across social media, and they're securing partnerships with some of the most influential players in the space. The community on X and Telegram is also growing pretty fast, which is exactly what you want to see when a project is building serious momentum. That being said guys, if you want to stay ahead of the curve in both AI and crypto, make sure to hit the subscribe button, drop a like, and tell me in the comments where you think Open is headed next. This is only the beginning and the future is open. Don't miss it. This is your favorite altcoin gem finder signing off.